conducted one narcotic raid at Varnapuri, wherein we received information from the reliable sources that one person is coming with contraband substance suspected to be ganja near Varnapuri to give it to the prospective customer. So accordingly, I briefed my officers and staff, and we laid a trap at Varnapuri. So after some time, the person with the similar description appeared with his bike at Varnapuri. At that time, we detained him, and when we took the search of the said person. We found 1.2 kg ganja in his possession. So after questioning, he failed to give the satisfactory answers. So afterwards, we detained him and we brought at the police station, and we booked him under NDPS Act. So now presently our investigation is in progress to ascertain exact source of drugs. His name is Akshay Kumar Shetty, age 28 years, residence of Mungal, Mormugao.
Is he a habitual offender or first time?
No, that we are verifying. Presently, there is no any such type of information, but we are verifying.